Hi, I'm Laurilee Thompson. I'm a fifth generation Titusvillian, and I basically grew up on this causeway. This is the Titusville Causeway behind me here, and it's very different now than it was when I was a kid. Things have changed a lot. But I'm supposed to talk about flooding and storm damage today and threats to our quality of life, so here we go. So behind me here in the background, you see all that orange fencing? There's two boat ramps there that were functional before Hurricane Irma. Actually, they got damaged during Hurricane Matthew, and then we got them rebuilt just in time for Irma to come along and destroy them. So what the loss of two boat ramps would actually multiply many times over, because the boat ramps all up and down the whole entire Indian River Lagoon are wiped out. What that's done is it's affected the quality of life of the coastal residents, because most people that they live on the coast because they like to get out in the water and they own boats, and now people can't put their boats in the water. So because this is one of the few, that far ramp over there is one of the few functioning boat ramps that's still left. So it's made it, bad for us that want to put boats in the water. On a weekend day, the confusion and anxiety around the people that are lined up trying to get their boats in on that one ramp, it's terrible. It's terrible. But then there's an economic impact also, because coastal towns and communities depend on income from people that live inland that also want to come over and enjoy our resources over here on the coast. So the people from Orlando that would come over here and tow their boats over and put their boats in the water and go fishing and then buy gas or eat. I also own a seafood restaurant here. So if they don't catch any fish, they like to stop at my restaurant and get some seafood on the way back to Orlando. They're not doing that. They're not coming over here because they know that they can't even get their boats in the water once they get over here. And so that's affected the bait and tackle shop owners all up and down the lagoon. We've had some fish kills, but that's algal bloom related. But between the fish kills and the fact that people can't put their boats in the water, they're not buying bait and tackle and shrimp and the things that you use when you go fishing. So this is another angle of the Titusville Causeway, and the Titusville Causeway is special because we still have some beach that's left on our causeway, and so it's very important for recreation. Over there across the causeway there's a long beach. Every weekend during the summertime you can't fit another car over there, and people have tents and barbecue grills, and their families are there, and they're jet skiing and kayaking, and they have sailboats, and they're just out enjoying the water. So the causeways, all of the causeways are very, very important because they're a link and a connection to the water for people that aren't lucky enough to live in a house on the water. So the causeways represent a way for regular people to be able to get access and be able to enjoy the lagoon. So it's really important that we protect our causeways. The causeways are also vital links to the barrier islands. So this causeway here, our causeway, it connects to the Kennedy Space Center and the Air Force Station, and where they launch all the rockets. It also connects to the Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge and the Canaveral National Seashore, which they're owned by all the people in the whole United States. And so if this causeway were to get taken out, then you couldn't get to the north end of the Space Center, and you couldn't get to the Wildlife Refuge and the seashore. The causeways are also their evacuation routes to get the people off of the barrier islands and to safety when a storm is coming. But they also are, they're the connectors for water. There was some problems down in Cocoa where one of the water pipes broke, and they didn't have any fresh water going to Cocoa Beach for several days because of the damage that happened to this water pipe that was parallel to the causeway. They are also the electrical. You can see the power lines. That's how the power gets to the barrier islands. telecommunications. So the causeways are critical links to the people that live on the barrier islands.